Have you ever wondered if money has a hidden potential, a spiritual power waiting to be tapped into? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating intersection of finance and spirituality. This isn't just about making more money or achieving material success. It's about understanding the profound energy money carries and how you can align it with your spiritual growth. Imagine what could happen if you could harness this power to not only transform your life, but also elevate your consciousness. Money is often seen as a purely material object, a necessary tool for survival and comfort. But what if we told you that money is more than just paper or coins? What if money held an energy, a frequency that could resonate with your deepest spiritual aspirations? By shifting our perspective and understanding money's deeper significance, we can use it as a powerful catalyst for personal and spiritual evolution. Understanding the spiritual power of money begins with recognizing that everything in the universe, including money, is energy. Our thoughts, emotions, and actions are also energy. When we view money from this perspective, it changes how we interact with it. We start seeing money not as a goal, but as a means to achieve higher purposes. This shift in mindset can lead to profound changes in how we attract, manage, and utilize our financial resources. To tap into the spiritual power of money, one must first cultivate a healthy relationship with it. This starts with breaking down any negative beliefs or fears surrounding money. Many people grow up with limiting beliefs about money, holding thoughts like, money is the root of all evil, or rich people are greedy. Such beliefs create a subconscious barrier, preventing us from realizing our full financial potential. By reframing these thoughts, we can start to view money as a positive force that can be used for good. One powerful way to change your relationship with money is through gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. When you are grateful for the money you have, no matter how little it may be, you create a positive energy flow. This positive energy attracts more abundance into your life. Start by keeping a gratitude journal and writing down things you are grateful for each day, including the financial resources you possess. This simple practice can have a profound impact on your financial well-being over time. Another key aspect of harnessing the spiritual power of money is understanding the importance of intention. Money, like any other form of energy, responds to the intentions we set for it. When we spend or invest money with positive intentions, it amplifies the energy we put out into the world. Conversely, when money is used with negative intentions, it can create a cycle of negativity. Reflect on your financial goals and intentions. Are they aligned with your values and higher purpose? By setting clear, positive intentions for your financial resources, you can create a ripple effect of positivity and abundance. Mindfulness also plays a crucial role in tapping into the spiritual power of money. Being mindful of how you earn, spend, and invest your money can help you make choices that are aligned with your spiritual values. This means being conscious of the companies you support, the products you buy, and the investments you make. Are they ethical? Do they contribute to the well-being of others and the planet? By making mindful financial choices, you can ensure that your money is a force for good. Generosity is another powerful aspect of money's spiritual power. When we give freely and selflessly, we create a flow of abundance. This doesn't mean you have to give away all your money, but rather, find ways to share your resources with others. Whether it's donating to a cause you believe in, helping someone in need, or simply being generous with your time and energy, acts of generosity create positive energy that comes back to you in unexpected ways. The act of giving opens your heart and creates a sense of connection and fulfillment that money alone cannot provide. It's also important to cultivate a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. An abundance mindset is the belief that there is enough for everyone and that opportunities are limitless. This contrasts sharply with a scarcity mindset, which focuses on lack and limitation. When you believe in abundance, you are more likely to take risks, seize opportunities, and share with others. This mindset not only attracts more financial resources, but also enhances your overall sense of well-being. Visualization is another powerful tool in harnessing the spiritual power of money. By visualizing your financial goals and the positive impact they will have on your life and the lives of others, you create a clear and compelling image in your mind. This image acts as a magnet, drawing the resources and opportunities needed to achieve your goals. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your financial success and the good it will bring. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals and let that positive energy guide your actions. Forgiveness is also a crucial element in transforming your relationship with money. Holding on to past financial mistakes or grievances can create a block in the flow of abundance. Forgive yourself for any financial missteps and let go of any resentment or anger towards others. This act of forgiveness frees you from the negative energy of the past and opens you up to new opportunities. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, and each mistake is a learning opportunity. By forgiving yourself and others, you create a clean slate to build a more positive financial future. Connecting with your spiritual self can also enhance your financial well-being. Practices such as meditation, prayer, or spending time in nature can help you connect with your higher self and gain insights into your financial path. These practices can provide clarity, reduce stress, and increase your overall sense of peace and well-being. When you are in tune with your spiritual self, you are more likely to make financial decisions that are aligned with your true values and purpose. Building a community of like-minded individuals can also support your financial and spiritual growth. Surrounding yourself with people who share similar values and goals can provide encouragement, inspiration, and practical advice. This community can be a source of strength and support, helping you stay motivated and focused on your financial and spiritual goals. Whether it's a formal group or a circle of friends, having a support system can make a significant difference in your journey. Education is another crucial aspect of harnessing the spiritual power of money. Gaining knowledge about financial management, investments, and wealth-building strategies can empower you to make informed decisions. Education also helps to demystify money and reduce any fear or anxiety associated with it. By becoming financially literate, you can take control of your financial destiny and use your resources more effectively. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more you can achieve. Listening to your intuition can also guide you in making wise financial decisions. Your intuition is your inner wisdom, a deep knowing that goes beyond logic and reason. Trusting your intuition can help you navigate the complex world of finance and make choices that are in your best interest. Take time to tune into your inner guidance and listen to what it is telling you. Your intuition can provide valuable insights and help you avoid potential pitfalls. Balancing work and rest is another important factor in maintaining a healthy relationship with money. While hard work is often necessary to achieve financial goals, it's equally important to take time to rest and recharge. Overworking can lead to burnout and diminish your overall well-being. By finding a balance between work and rest, you can maintain your energy and enthusiasm for your financial pursuits. This balance also allows you to enjoy the fruits of your labor and appreciate the journey. It's also essential to recognize that money is not an end in itself, but a means to achieve greater fulfillment and purpose. By aligning your financial goals with your higher purpose, you can create a more meaningful and satisfying life. Reflect on what truly matters to you and how you can use your financial resources to support those values. Whether it's spending more time with loved ones, pursuing a passion, or contributing to a cause, aligning your money with your purpose can bring a deeper sense of fulfillment. Another powerful approach is to practice mindfulness in your spending habits. Being aware of your spending can help you make choices that are in alignment with your values and goals. Before making a purchase, take a moment to consider whether it truly adds value to your life. This mindful approach can help you avoid impulsive spending and ensure that your money is used in ways that support your overall well-being. Investing in yourself is another crucial aspect of harnessing the spiritual power of money. This can include investing in your education, health, and personal development. By prioritizing self-investment, you can enhance your skills, knowledge, and overall quality of life. This investment pays off in the long run, leading to greater financial and personal success. Remember, you are your most valuable asset, and investing in yourself is one of the best decisions you can make. Setting clear financial goals is also essential for harnessing the power of money. Having specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals can provide direction and motivation. These goals can range from saving a certain amount of money, paying off debt, or achieving a specific level of income. By setting and working towards these goals, you can create a roadmap for financial success and stay focused on your objectives. It's also important to cultivate a sense of patience and perseverance. Achieving financial and spiritual growth takes time and effort. There may be setbacks along the way, but it's crucial to stay committed and keep moving forward. Trust in the process and have faith that your efforts will pay off in the long run. Patience and perseverance are key to overcoming challenges and achieving lasting success. Another important aspect is to practice self-compassion and kindness towards yourself. Recognize that you are on a continuous journey of learning and growth. Be gentle with yourself and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. By practicing self-compassion, you can maintain a positive mindset and stay motivated on your path to financial and spiritual growth. Understanding the impact of your financial decisions on the world around you is also crucial. Consider the social and environmental implications of your choices. By supporting ethical and sustainable businesses, you can contribute to positive change and align your financial resources with your values. This conscious approach to money can amplify its spiritual power and create a ripple effect of good in the world. Developing a regular practice of reflection and review can also support your financial and spiritual growth. Take time to assess your financial situation, review your goals, and reflect on your progress. This practice can help you stay on track, make necessary adjustments, and celebrate your successes. Regular reflection also allows you to gain insights and learn from your experiences, fostering continuous growth. Incorporating rituals into your financial practices can also enhance the spiritual power of money. Rituals can create a sense of meaning and intention in your financial activities. Whether it's a simple act of lighting a candle before reviewing your finances or a more elaborate ceremony, rituals can help you connect with the deeper significance of money and create a positive energy flow. Embracing simplicity and minimalism can also support your financial and spiritual well-being. By focusing on what truly matters and letting go of excess, you can create a sense of clarity and peace. This approach can help you avoid unnecessary spending and ensure that your financial resources are used in ways that align with your values and goals. It's also important to recognize the role of money in creating opportunities for growth and learning. Financial challenges can provide valuable lessons and opportunities for personal development. By viewing these challenges as opportunities rather than obstacles, You can cultivate a growth mindset and turn setbacks into stepping stones for success. Maintaining a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the financial resources you have can also enhance your overall well-being. Gratitude creates a positive energy flow and attracts more abundance into your life. By regularly expressing gratitude for your financial resources, you can cultivate a sense of contentment and fulfillment. It's also crucial to recognize the interconnectedness of all aspects of your life. Your financial well-being is closely linked to your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. By nurturing all areas of your life, you can create a harmonious balance and enhance your overall well-being. This holistic approach can help you achieve greater financial and personal success. In conclusion, harnessing the spiritual power of money involves a holistic approach that encompasses mindset, intention, mindfulness, generosity, education, and self-care. By cultivating a positive and healthy relationship with money, you can use it as a powerful tool for personal and spiritual growth. Remember, money is not an end in itself, but a means to achieve greater fulfillment and purpose. By aligning your financial goals with your values and higher purpose, you can create a more meaningful and satisfying life. Embrace the power of money and use it to elevate your consciousness and create a positive impact in the world.